Yo, YouTube, I don't know what just happened. I just loaded into a park because I'm like famous person chasing. Because I do that, I just join like random people, my friends list parks, and just hope there's a famous person in there to get like clout. And yo, look, I'm in like the old freaking Rivet Park. Like, yo, what is this? Like, there's a bunch of 1v1 courts, I guess, for 3v3 right here. That's like half sized and yo, what the heck? Yo, this is sick. I'm not even gonna lie. Damn. Hey, can I get into a game? Oh no, wait, I can't get into a game. Alright, I'm gonna walk around, just see if I can maybe like find an exploit where like I walk through a court or something. That'd be cool. No, I just want to this video it's light, but everyone's just invisible though. Like no one will appear. Oh crap, y'all! Do you guys see this guy? This guy's just chilling there, just freaking levitating. Oh, do I have my emotes? Let me see. I bet. Yo, this is so weird. Oh my god, what is this guy sitting on? Hey, can I move this guy? Damn. That'd be cool. Oh my god. Can I do something with this? No prize, dang it. That'd been cool. Everyone's still invisible though, like what the heck? Happens, can I go into the store? See this.
6.5 hours later.
Downloading content, this takes forever.
What? Tomorrow.
Oh my god, it's taking forever.
Tomorrow for sure.
Oh my god, this was the stupidest thing I could have done, huh?
Much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Forever. Holy crap, okay. Oh, yo, it actually loaded. I was literally about to just quit, not even kidding. Yo. Let's see if I can buy. I only have 300 VC. I need to buy something here. Are you kidding me? I am too broke to buy anything. Bruh. I am dead. Wow. I'm seriously too broke to buy anything. Wow, I was freaking 15 minutes. I'll never get back. Hey, everyone's finally appearing though. I'm gonna get in that spot. Oh, yo, I can get in this threes game. Actually, no, that guy looks like he quit. He closed his app, so I'm not gonna risk that. These people just walk. Yo. Aww. So I can only be on this side of the court. Alright. Hey, what the frick is this? Why is there like 15 people over there and they're not coming to this side? That's a 2v2. What the heck? Alright. Wait, people are going on this one too. Dang it. Oh, I see it. It's the way like the lines are done. So yeah, I can go on this one. Let's go here because this is supposed to be a 1v1v1. It's supposed to be a 2v2. Yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna go on this 1v1v1 and see if I can get into a game on the old court. So yeah, I'm gonna skip to that. I'm out. Peace.
You can find me in the trap.